And welcome back, guys. This is Mohammad Arsalan and you're watching my channel MArcSiddiqui. And in the right bottom corner you can see a logo. It's MArcSiddiqui Software Solution. This is also me, and today I've brought a surprise for you, and it's a C language. So from today we are going to start this amazing course, C language. So let's see what we got in our first lecture. In the first lecture we are going to have a brief introduction of C language. We are going to learn some history, and we are going to have some features of C language, and then we will move on. So without any delay, let's start. What is C language? What is C language? C language is developed for creating system application that interacts to the hardware devices such as drivers and kernels. Basically, C language is used for the purpose of the machine connectivity. This is also called the machine language. Why it is used? It is used to make some applications which are connected with machines, like you are making an attendance portal and you're using the fingerprint scanner machine, you're using some sensors, or you're using something in which the machine is involved. So the C language is used for that one. C programming is considered as the base for other programming language. This is called the mother of the language, because whenever the developer wants to get in the world of the programming, so most probably it happens that the person starts learning with C language. So it is the basic, it is the easy language. So every developer starts from this, and it's my advice as well. That's why I'm going to teach you this course. It can be defined in the following ways: that this is the mother language because every developer learns this, and this is the very old language. That's why it is called mother language. It's system programming language. It is procedure oriented programming language, not like object oriented. It is structure programming language, and it is the mid-level programming language. Like, it is not the first generation, it is not the recent generation, it is in the middle level. And then let's move on to history. In the history of language, that is interesting, and so let's see what we have got. C programming was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories and AT&T. AT&T means American Telephone and Telegraph, which is in America definitely. Dennis Ritchie is known as the founder of C language. It's easy. It was developed to overcome the problems of previous languages such as B and BCPL. It is normal that whenever a new product, whenever something new comes, it overcomes the difficulties, it overcomes the problems, it overcomes the brightest solutions of the previous languages. It brings something new. So the C language is doing the same thing. It is bringing something new against the B and BCPL and COBOL, and which were old. Initially, C language was developed to be used in Unix system because it was invented in 1972, and in that time there was no Windows operating system, so it was before used in Unix operating system, but now it can be used in any systems as well. So the features are, first feature is it's very simple, it's portable, you can use it in any computer. It's a mid-level language, it is a structured programming language, it has got rich library, it is extensible, its code can be extensively increased, its speed is fast, it has a memory management, and it has the pointers. So guys, this was a brief introduction. Thanks a lot for me. Do follow me and keep waiting for the next lecture. In next lecture we will going to learn how to install C language on our system, and then we will be learning that what are the data types, what are the basics, and then we will be moving to some fantastic tasks, some fantastic challenges, something new and something amazing, because the programming world is so large and there is so much creativity to create. So goodbye for now. Thanks a lot for watching. Do waiting for the next lecture, and have a good day.